I'm Anil Kumar, and here is the second question from the test paper, Unit 5, Rational Functions. Now let's look into this question in further details. The question is, state the equation of the rational function that meets these conditions. There are four conditions given to us: vertical asymptote at x equals to 2, horizontal asymptote at y equals to 1, increasing on each interval of its domain, x-intercept is 3, 0, right? So, as I was saying, any rational function could be treated as ratio of two polynomials, right? So there is something in the numerator and something in the denominator. We are given that the vertical asymptote is at x equals to 2. That means what? That means denominator should be 0 for x equals to 2. And that is possible if I write x minus 2 as a factor in the denominator, right? So that's how you get the one part of the denominator. Horizontal asymptote at y equals to 1. It means that the leading coefficient should be in the ratio of 1 is to 1. So we have, and the degrees of numerator and denominators are also the same, right? So we get x at least on the numerator. Then it says increasing on each interval of its domain. We'll look into it later once we sketch what we write here. And last one is x-intercept is 3, 0. X-intercept means y value is 0. That means the numerator should be 0 for x equals to 3. Now that is possible if I take away 3 from here, right? So that will make x equals to 3 as an x-intercept. Now we can actually sketch this. We have already got the function. Now let's sketch and confirm whether increasing interval is satisfied or not. So we have vertical asymptote at x equals to 2. So this is at 2. And the horizontal at y equals to 1, so this is y equals to 1. So once you have asymptotes, you should look for origin. Now where is this 0 lying? So if I write 0 here, so I get minus 3 over 2, which is, let me write r of 0 equals to how much? So it is minus 3 over minus 2, which is 3 over 2, or 1.5. So at x equals to 0, I have a point above the horizontal asymptote. So I'm expecting my graph to be kind of like this. Do you see that? And I know that my x-intercept is on right side of 2, so it has to be kind of like this. As you can see from the graph itself, it is increasing all throughout in its domain, right? So that is the right equation for the given condition. I hope with these simple steps you understand how to form a rational function from the given conditions. That should really help you, and I hope don't get afraid of fractions. Rational functions are quotients of polynomials. Think like that and be very easy for you. Thank you and all the best.